If you're looking for a simple way to include legal disclaimers in your proposal automatically, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to do it seamlessly, saving you time and avoiding errors every single time you send out a proposal. Stick around, because I'll also reveal a software that makes this process way easier, and it comes with an exclusive free trial for viewers of this channel. First, let's talk about why you should be automating legal disclaimers in the first place. Legal disclaimers are essential to protect your business, especially in proposals that can be legally binding. Having a standardized disclaimer will ensure you're always covered, and it saves you the hassle of manually entering it every time. The key to automating this is using proposal software that allows you to insert default text, like your legal disclaimers, into your proposals automatically. This software will save you a lot of time while ensuring you don't forget any important legal text that could protect you. Now, here's how you can set it up. You'll start by choosing a proposal software that offers this automation feature, our software of choice, which I'll link below with an exclusive free trial for you. The first step is to navigate to the template section in the software. From here, you'll either edit an existing template or create a new one. Once you're in the template editor, look for the option to add default text blocks. These blocks are where you'll insert your legal disclaimer text. For example, you can include terms about confidentiality, dispute resolution, or any other legal aspect of your proposal. Now, you want to make sure that the disclaimer is formatted properly and is easy to update if necessary. The software will automatically insert this disclaimer at the bottom of your proposals every time you use that template. And guess what? You can also set the software to automatically update the legal disclaimer. So if any of your terms change, you can update it in one place and the change will reflect in all future proposals. A huge benefit here is consistency. By automating the inclusion of your legal disclaimers, you ensure that every proposal is up to date and legally sound without having to worry about human error. Let's recap. Choose proposal software with automated text insertion. Create or edit a proposal template. Insert your legal disclaimer as a default text block and set it to auto-update when necessary. One key takeaway. Automating your legal disclaimers not only saves time, but it also ensures your proposals are always legally compliant without any extra work from you. Before I finish, don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial for the software we've been using in this tutorial. The link is in the description below, and it's only available for viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.